you? This is a snake that's always very friendly and social. She loves our Chewy babies. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm not going to take them. I won't bother them. I like to keep them. They're right on your hot spot on your heat pad. Oh, Mama's upset. I'm not going to hurt your babies, Jade. Mommy not take them. Yeah, it's okay. It's alright, Mama. I guess it's not alright, huh? Wow, what a change in your temperament because you got babies in there. Huh? Little bit of a display. Mama's not going to hurt you, Jade. She's going to protect her eggs. This is going to be a real trick. Well, good morning to you too, Jade. I don't think she's done, so I'm going to let her stay with them for a while. Oh yeah, woke up to a nice surprise this morning. There, and I can get it. Yeah, she's getting ready to push another one out. I see at least 2, 3 more in there. Yeah, she's probably got 2 or 3 more. Here she goes. See her moving to the side? She's they're just like a woman that has babies. They have contractions to push the eggs down and out. Yeah, she's getting ready to pop another one out. She's working them down. I'd say she's got probably 1, 2, 3, possibly, maybe 4, but I'm saying 3 more in there. So it'll be a total of 9 or 10 eggs she's laid today. Chewy didn't fool around when he finally gave it to her, I guess. Took her 3 years to, oh my gosh, she flirted with him, rubbed all over him, did everything but ask him verbally, come on, dude, let's do it. And he just like, get away from me, get her away from me. He'd come over in the corner and look at me and beg me to take him out so she'd leave him alone. So he just avoided her because she was so obnoxious. She's very controlling, and she stalked him and mauled him, and he just took great offense to her behavior. He's like, kid's acting like a juvenile delinquent. I'm not going to give her my babies. So finally she mellowed out, and I guess she acted like he wanted her to. He was particular. He was. She started acting like an adult, so he had sex with her, and then the result is we got babies. But he didn't want nothing to do with it. He'd get in the corner and rub his nose and beg me to get her out and get her away from him. He didn't want anything to do with her. He's like, get away from me. Yeah, see how her scales are still spread? Yeah. She's still got at least 3, maybe 4 in there. And I see the scales are closer together right in here. Mm-hmm. So if you track the scales, that's how you can tell where the eggs are. The separation in the scales tells you there's a lot going on in there. See how separated they are there? Yeah. I watch the scales. That's all I do, so I know how many more she has. Yeah, she's working on another one. Those are good size eggs, too. Boy, I guess they got it right for being the first time. Now, just to get this new incubator to do the rest of the job right, we're all set. I wish I could say it up here, but...
Now it's reading 91.